ena etiponi game ni kona wie na Chelsea ahye eka pole aye chese eka pole miensa aye tuefe page homo so oman timi antiko poma epo 2 goals ama pantia ye fe João Pedro enso te paako ka ho tima ye fe aye Chelsea eti enu after game no na e was presentation awards enso temi to dwa won say game no eto dwa oman a ye fe USA United States of America omo man penia ye fe Donald Trump enu a na o pike no so na nyansa nketwa kwa won say Chelsea owner ye fe aye Tompoli won say America deshen boy American entinua na omunyina enso pike so entinua after game no na e was Donald Trump enso wasi pike so kama na tese omuso presentation omuso timiko na omuko present aye trophy no any medals etimatima ye fe aye Chelsea team no any poboku a ye fe Paris Saint-Germain ATP photo so na yenhwe Donald Trump tema wasi fe VIP enso etiane chen aye Chelsea aye podium no so yentie sound kakra sere enema enso ekoye eti wei eyemra openia wano eye America omanpeni Donald Trump wano no chese okosi podium no sono na chese ohwe stadium eye supporters posia na enyansan ketwakra ya chese utimi sanua enima koyi pa enso demadwumadi no na etimi foba konto smame na yensase yentoso enso enfamfro na pepenso etimi yakama after demadi no na se Donald Trump e wase otin kama akra nti yentin koma na se Donald Trump USA omanpeni wanso after game sanchafo ya twepeno ene papa no enso tin kama etientie Donald Trump ensema wale tudwa
in the United States as the World Club Cup takes place here. What does it say for America on a global stage, not just for politics, but now sports too?
Well, it's a big thing, and you know, Johnny's a friend of mine. He's done such a great job with the league and with soccer, or they would call it football, but I guess we call it soccer. I'm not sure that change could be made very easily, but it's great to watch, and this is a little bit of an upset that we're watching today, isn't it, huh?
No, not surprising.
So far, it's incredible.
What if we make an executive order? We can only say football from now on.
I think we could do that. I think I could do that.
Yeah, well, speaking of Gianni, I mean, FIFA's been so wonderful in this process, and I know that you've had their trophy on your desk. Now it's at the Trump Tower. What do you think they're doing for the sport in America?
Oh, they're doing fantastically well. It's a growing sport. It's a great sport. That's right. They said, could you hold this trophy for a little while? We put it in the Oval Office, and then I said, when are you going to pick up the trophy? He says, we're never going to pick it up. You can have it forever in the Oval Office. We're making a new one. And they actually made a new one. So that was quite exciting, but it's in the Oval.
eti wei eyankoma Donald Trump America mampeni enwa after Jumadi na se wonu so ni sanse we tudwa was say na it was incredible na Jumadi no na eyekama esoni papa was say enima koyi pa yedue pa bi sanse ene obekaya before say eye game no eba beto dwana me ka tell say eye trophy no wo so e de akosa eye say Trump eye tower so and was say indeed eye nmonyam hye pa enso tema America man no eti wei ayen sam kakra anunso after the game no Donald Trump ya America mampani enso to dwa abra chese dwumadi no enso etimi kona wie na yenkotie enkohwe aye time a chese trophy no anunso omuti present here tima ye fan aye Chelsea na captain Ray James and a corner of tea. I talk from Tima. You have a Chelsea ATB Yanshan. Na interested here. A captain fantastic Tima. You have Chelsea a corner of tea. I trophy now.
It has been some journey to get here. Let's see how all this is going to work. Blue confetti in the air, blue shirts in the history books, blue hearts everywhere, bursting with pride. Everything Chelsea have touched today has turned to gold. Chelsea, the FIFA Club World Cup champions. What a day for them, what a journey, what a competition in the United States, and back to London with pride in their hearts. We'll have more reaction to it all to come.
Eti wei enso eye moment a Chelsea team no enso etimi left eye FIFA Club World Cup trophy no eti enua na enyansam ketwa kra enso ewo MetLife eye stadium ewo USA na se New Jersey ena dwumade no enso etimi to dwa metewasam enso temao ewo dwumade enso ene awie na enu after game no ya Chelsea trophy no enso etimi left no na ewo so pani a ye fe enso Maresca, a coach and Tematima, your friend a Chelsea, a Bobokwa, and no your friend a Chelsea, no, I was out in summer cram, and so etimitija, 80 young coach here, Openia, your friend Enzo Maresca, coach at Chelsea after the game. No,
we out. We are very happy, especially against PSG. That, as I said 2 days ago in the press conference, I consider them the best team in the world, with one of the best managers in the world, fantastic player. So today has been top achievement.
This lady in the front here, please.
Buenas tardes, Mister. Enhorabuena por la victoria.
Good evening, Coach. Congratulations on the win. If possible, could you please tell us about Bernardo Cueva's job and the impact he had on your team and how important it was on this win? We're not here to talk about Bernardo, we're here to talk about the team. Thank you.
Eti wei enso ayense openia wono ye fe enso Maresca coach etema team na ye fe aye Chelsea world champion ene se opasa siso a Chelsea club ni nyina womo ene champions a sanse wei aye FIFA ene organize eti FIFA club world cup rasa kwachi a wo ena also oye aye Chelsea world champion Chelsea enu after game no na Chelsea omu coach fe enso Maresca enso ene sanse we to dwa mete one some enso tema was before this game no na PSG team no womu eye super was omukra fantastic team womu kra fantastic coach esan sukra aye good players a wotem se na omu team no na anu die pa enti omunso organize ye na se we organize tema ye fin aye Chelsea no ka and ma Chelsea team no enso etimi effort down massive win on team ye fin aye PSG ye got to lose inside that Openia ye Luis Enrique one so a coach etema pobokwa ye fin PSG this season watch it treble watch it coupe defense watch it French the car and watch it UEFA Champions League no and so yes na so ntese wutia enye se coach wasa nemom no wo ko share the meter yentie Enzo Maresca after game summer one so what etodwa.
The sound is bad. AFP, how do you explain this defeat? Is it a game that's one game too much in a season that is full of tension? Good afternoon or good evening, I'm not sure. Football, that's the way it is. Can't explain everything, but I think that we would need to see the match again in order to analyze exactly what happened. But I believe that they actually started the game really, really well, with a lot of pressure. And
eti wei enso eye coach ya wano yef Luis Enrique wano so after game was say and some trade bisan say ase chese surprise series atena surprise kakra na and was say football eye sanate chese anime bia enso timi in football eti ene wano won timi ka bia na dia was ne bana ene so etimi pae eti wei eye Luis Enrique coach Tima, ye friend Paris Saint-Germain, APUUTOOTV, young Captain Fantastic, Apantia, ye James, na annual James Bema after Cameron, na take Cameron Mekon Antenon, on Rene Sekakra, na Modamomian J. Sama, James Editutra after Cameron, Captain, Itima Chelsea.
It's the best team we faced, and we knew it was going to be tough. I know the team was ready, and I think we showed that.
First of all, congratulations. Can you take us through the trophy lift? And what exactly did you say to Trump, and what did he say to you when you were there for the photo?
To be honest, it was quite loud. I couldn't hear too much. He just congratulated me and the team, for winning the trophy and to enjoy the moment.
Eti dia openia ana panche ye feno chese James wonu so dey to twansa game dia before this game no na isimla samanfo antara teachers team no eti omonsomo grazumi se coach kan na se no kan ho ena ma boko efe Chelsea enso etimi anchi this particular trophy and se tournament no enso dey som na so na oso team players ina no po ma so na wose wo the USA what Thomas says se osho supporters ya empempema mo United States of America empemu fi emman so empe support team a ye fe eye Chelsea etiwe eya pa support eya seta ena pentia ye fe James etima eye Chelsea supporters ina asase so ya many buga ye ka hon ya social loss ke se tapi one so want the support ebe touch eti yina as a challenge as a pomponche as a tantala one so what temoe mensi sauko kumasia enyansa nketo nuna ne anua dimian kasami senior ma ne se dollar company fans tesa nidia tesa supporters wrong ye woman no enyansa nketo kwa etinua we eye gema etotwa wotem senema enso etwe pe na owo hina champon ene ye ma me chese empes mu ina chese supporters ya chese mu jemo homena me pacha ATP afeyam fatia kan totoswe na yenkwanim enso na pepenso etimi yakama na after game no ananse after tournament was say ye team of the tournament na se pay some omomoni mo enso etimi so no I was say ye timi na pepenso etimi yakama na enema enso timi fan topa enso etimi from enu ebia face poker no so et also kwen na me power ni akoma na yenko ya nimsa na enema so etimi yakama na eneya bantia ye fe ya si bonu we goalkeeper etima omtima ye fe ahila na ofi Morocco wanu eno mo se just the performance important na esoli goalkeepers ni nyina Jesse and say a team of the week and I say team of the tournament na the performance and your part 8 on 7.5 over 10 one NSS goalkeeper one omutimino na uko defensive la na say defense wall yenya Achraf Hakimi wenya 7.3 over 10 one ever honomo yenya Khalidou Koulibaly wenya 7.7 over 10 80 and also Khalidou Koulibaly one so etimi ewram honma na utimi sadron adina no dem pa ya enyansa ketwa eti Khalidou Koulibaly ewram saro na utimi sa wose eniema enso etimi kokama enso timomo na mamimfo we ema werum enes aye right way pa na Achraf Hakimi ejina chese right left wall na yenya makions ena branchia ye friend tienko silver yes enti tienko silver ene makions epechan fine five na yenya mark kukuara also petty from left back eno chese defensive no na ye konfifwa ye benya vetia ena branchia ye fe Enzo Fernandez esianka Manchester team no na ukwanimu a ye benya Pedro Neto akodawe ball this tournament when ye performance no na enyansa nketwa enima koyi pa enso temano na Topeo Petit from left no ye Kopama Chelsea Branche na ukwanimu a ye benya Branche a ye fen Gonzalo Garcia team fe Rimante ana Branche a ye fe areas no as areas ono so no enso esianka Tima ye Fluminense 80 Chelsea enya 4 players PG enya 3 players team of Ahila enya 1 player no goalkeeper and Fluminense enso team nya 2 players and Real Madrid enya player pa Pantia ye Gonzalo Garcia warunko a player team Ramo enso team of the tournament FIFA Club World Cup no we official NSM Oko foba bi na se duo wori dia ene wala eno na beer face pokoro so PM kwanime na for take mami na for toto so for beer so na eno of the game no I was say PS no mama eno wife ho chese I was so mutisi park so kakra mo mu hwe face pokoro we bantia ye feni enso maresca one wife and a beer so sari kama what him say yes and kwatamienu what him say pusan touch piano and play tiepa we enso maresca and answer bantia ye fe enso Fernandez one beer and Manchester team no piante yem pia so quick na yem kwamsa coach so nie we coach ye fe enso maresca na enso ne nkota no wo mi emako enan esa wifi enso ka ho sense chesemiura daddy what you say and semiura coach trophy dia mama yem bona chitomo na enema enso temie kama etwe coach ye fe enso maresca one wife and busha for na nkota wo fefo tien kama Tese woman soft camera woman so activity see park so me pato yenko anime na for take mami na enwa keep away enwa saves pa na enyo sanketo na ye potra me tv no wontem se anyone so koyi pa wachi golden grove no enso tese na so na ayemi nwa se we teminim ese buka me pa mu dia keep no ekwachi golden groves edisi na so e this particular tournament na enso ye team of the tournament yam friend da goal post ye kofa pantia ye fe yasim bonu enti we no emlenin campaign so patren enti goalkeeper and was says a crucial saves ya and we tima ye fe Chelsea we no ye fe Robert Sanchez no the performance no na ketwa na anu teme pacha ye nkwanim sa na fatia ka toto so na pepe so teme kama we enso pantia ye fe Gonzalo Garcia wonu si aka Tima ye fe Rimaden wonu so the coach aye golden boot on enso si na so we share 4 goals this just ended a tournament no wonu say ye peka se waji cooking enso tina so ye fe Gonzalo Garcia we si aka Tima ye fe Rimaden wonu so na beer face book no so me pato PM kwenime na fa take mama na pepe so etimye kama na ene ne tienie ene Chelsea team no sa ucha esa mentor international trophy na Chelsea enso temiaje Chelsea UEFA Champions League Chelsea Europa League Chelsea ayo Conference League no ayo Super Cup Chelsea so sanso je ene Chelsea omagin ayo FIFA Club World Cup esinaso we international yem for domestic league no enso kan Premier League na FA Cup no any club committee shedra yem fanka ho we international it say be UEFA announce FIFA organize tournament no e binwa Chelsea enso entemenje pe enti enese Chelsea yomaya enka wake up o nke agechia enti Chelsea team no mansa o beto am no pantam na yakwenu sa enti Chelsea the bare face pokoro and trophy maku enum enso esiswe emuoto papa enyansa ketobe patopi yenkweni me entemi pobesi na Chelsea tomorrow no enso timi atoso na enu after game lost game and to call a crazy na and to call this year what team say yes na atene ha tue pa
okay
are you coach ya ye fe Luis Enrique
na ne kokwa pa
yes na ne kokwa pa
ebufu ahina ko mama
Luis Enrique
okay ne caliber baby a coach be duah
yes
na eni kwan say sisa
yes
na eni kwan say because watch amanfo bi ahihye mo nan eni mienu na obi ache wabo me yansa what you was me cool kwa pa
oti intem la UEFA Champions League final no the year no
we born
no what sa 5 goals Chelsea hu mo bona say ma 3 a we nya ntokwa bia na according to FIFA wo mo say punishment rate papa ni sabeka
okay
na punishment no e be reflect ewo French Liga and the UEFA Champions League on set tournament 4 years yes yes eti ombe fine no na omasa someone massive punishment na omase abasa a pet tarnishing image as a coach
okay
eti twa punishment on the man no a be punishment sompa eti eno enso eno pinia ye fan Luis Enrique eno woni João Pedro enenya encounter ultimate na ha twen
wonya kra nkobe bo no pa
bo be hye no twede pa na adena ha twen pa because player there coach he has woni player ekonya da encounter after game na ebesa na ha twen eti eno nso ani kakra eno after game no reactions ya etimi esi antenu antokwa na goalkeeper ye fan Donnarumma wonsi ye jaro kra na chese wonko papa Chelsea pace na ne ho chese wonko toto twade pasa na senu a omama kwase bema nyabotem etuba bi na chese penia ye fa enso monaska na awose wono and was so openia ye fan Donnarumma na okacha se bema na bi okuku was too much marimra from come down and some pantia ye fan Donnarumma and so for captains and our baron away from nyina o park so eti emeku hunu ase eti no after game there na otimi se ensam pompantwe ene etimi to twame pacha yankwani me entami ke pabesi na tumodi no enso etimi atoso eti we ayo pania ye fe enso Maresca na enso Maresca no first season wa qualify Chelsea team no to UEFA Champions League nyame ya ntoma next season sanso wati Europa wati Conference League no enso dia sina so ene wa sanso gen FIFA Club Wake Up enso die sina so enti for achievement openia fe enso Maresca enso timi jaye entemotima ye fe Chelsea to performance no and what die pa ye enema enso etim ekoso me part of attack toto so na enchemi pa besi for me na pepe so timi kama to kwani ni wase we ya semesiam pia wato from no bema wudi akwa hwiwa sum enu a mensi pani kwatwe na nyansa nketo et Luis Enrique ene pia memma poto from no etinu ade na ensempi wow na nyansa keto kwa tebi me poto from paako mienu miensa bito so we maye woduma ante fada kama me na yenkwere san Lonskin Luka Modric anya kotu AC Milan
okay odu itri kromo
yes odu itri kromo
okay nice
and come channel no Luka Modric
okay wa hwema na fort
yes wa hwema
na wa boni suit no in an white
yes
sea blue sa na wa see me ma kama pa
yes kama pa
kama o trouble abono so baby oh nice
Alan says so timbo be 2 season mi kwana
oh yeah
na ordinary football career nyina bona wi
yeah obetimi abo
yes entiano Luka Modric one already no me ba cha for last one mami na yenhwe Alan Arsenal akwasan player eti here we go Losky and that's on Arsenal
yes say onye say here we go na bibia di dem
na akwadawi ye fe Christian Mosquera na me hu for na me ka say mosquito cry
Mosquera okay African tribes
message because baby eminya no e was me na me country office buy no na me the team office buy no sisia no the etie no na 20 million euros
20
yes 20 million euros and a team I fan chese Arsenal
the Ghanaians
e dey kofa Christian
any bla papa
Christian on say Chelsea for Enzo almost makofa Enzo
oh yes my boy 18 years Enzo
no more Christian Eriksen
as
for that be also to cover Christian for ni bi he say Christian and abana na me but next season obi bought too much tin the matima ye fan Arsenal na enema so atumi ay Kamantlowski
fantastic
Alan say sa kwa monania latest
oh yeah what boy juma
latest ye wo ho no Manchester United so ye na Manchester guso amoye pre-season no na openia ye fan coach Ruby Amorim
Kuchito
yes no koko ya pai
oye dwampenifo the dwampenifo eye niam ande as a market na is through the Manchester United
yes
because a team last season nyame nko kyei na open players are also mutumi man sa players open no
coach ni adwa
asempanyfo ye kokwa asa bi
yes omutwom na ase according to a story was say as a Ruby Amorim say players bi obi provide dey am mpanifo no bia no as a omo dwene price no ho na omo hwe player obeboa ni mo say season we mo jam on one kasa to the players tie ba say be affect team no
me on say the last time many buga discuss about say coach obeboa na so mo but me catch buga say coach no so wetimi aye adwuma na players bi a open no mpanifo emfama no say omo de sa players no man wentimi enyisu wo mu anye adwuma ne dia na ehun say open na na yontumi ye adwuma by for now players are open mo nyamfama no
dwen pa Arsenal so akato ne bro na omosa ka branch FM Victor Jokores
Arsenal na obebo
yes Arsenal na
Arsenal na
sisi ya ko Benfica krampa onko training what tua players that tua pa o
Sporting CP
yes Sporting CP ise ko ase wadwa timpenifo no wasimpenifo nye bibia se obeko Arsenal se enya Arsenal dia onu a won Sporting CP no onu so won team bia nti e waso ko Arsenal nti say for na Arsenal fans gu so mudi nkomo pa ya wo mo hwese nkomo nso betima akototin na the end of the day no one so be see academy team I Arsenal the Ghanaians
fantastic
me fancy
medasi p no me yasabo ye dwumade so ye bona Bugatti transfer wababe de monkomo area my oko Facebook kwa Liberty FM on Facebook ye dwumade nyina onso betimi enya bia hwe for comment ne bra na yenya daje enkinkan na Evans ayesa or say my name is Evans more fire I like your sports and also edia breye issue so enya asem yeto yenhwe na yenyi dia kanom and so free ho na Uruma Starboy or say watching the show live and create at Half Mem Airport and also edia breye shisha enya asem keto akra na Milito de Cardinal or say Milito de Air Sports Doctor watching you live from all Star Media college campus Accra. Congratulations to my team Chelsea. Greetings to my lovely wife Gloria Adubia inside University of Energy and Natural Resources at Sunyan campus and my sister Madam Patience Amo Bedu inside Sefi Yoso and also Eddie Abba. You can say ya kana so bit me abasa na yakenkan and so Eddie mama men ko Bugatti ho na memusansa hefa na awie odi enkomo no ede afa yewia na ye je aboafo no ye di omo nkomo kakra nsa na ya sato aso German
ya loski man
ene obedi nkomo na fahin
ya loski ene yebewuam nra the FIFA Club World Cup na course one you say na ko ba bia no na take the center stage no nti
yes
you be take this opportunity na and the transfers when they be see wa ha and me adum watching na ya trust ko for ba bia the sub Chelsea we first the Virgin Cup we the Virgin I say kotokoni as Confederation Cup on boy no on so na bia no and we new FIFA organized competition and team akos one nti loski na oba be di mu komo kakra na wo kan question be so be no problem meet me ya
me won sem
and dey na coach ni yeah
oh yeah me won sem
so na ni Ghpage hia oponi nyina loski na Ghpage matim no 4 2 3 ni ahodo bebre di twato kra inter champion league final intensity 5-0 eti debe na Enzo Maresca yeah otim dominate Ghpage loski o man 3 unanswered goals into koba yebedi mun komo kaka na etie fo bebe na adwun yo mu na ni amomate ni amaska Kaloski man
okay me
na be mo swenche reporter me bi this week ya no
obeba sapia de me ye nya sapia we yanka me timpen fo ho ya opa enka Manchester no kra ka me de beto kakra jema home kakra wo ho
o de to kra nka so de beto
kra de me ntime fan to kra ba ka me
ebe ya juma
ka me de beto ajema home kakra wo
ebe ya juma
what ya se me de to kra de emfa o ende me ntime kra
2 week de de ekwe de bia na eja
obeba
na afa
okay when mbo ne bopa ebe boa ye
yes tidi eguso cobra ba we din ko
matse that's okay Fugati na yatene ka wa bra watete ho de ama bebi awie odin